So we have other projects as well with the EU. The project that is named ACES, Grant Solutions, that is a collaboration here with the Danish Technological Institute in Denmark, where essentially in that case we would develop novel types of processes that would use the Nanofabricator LITE to enhance the efficiency of solar cells. So what we will do in this project is try to transition away from the typical metal tracks that are used in those photovoltaic cells, namely silver, to cheaper metal, essentially to reduce the price of the photovoltaic cells. And we are also going to help the processing of those cells to push the efficiency and the sturdiness of those photovoltaic cells.